Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. Regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with gap filling or fill in the blanks. Regarding that very topic, I have already provided you some problems as well as solutions. Just after providing a lot of information, ideas, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out these all the problems. So that's why today I also select few problems for you. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously watch my today's video and follow me. Problem number 3 now. There was a child of 5, a dash, had saved 2 children from a burning hut. One who had fought a cheetah, B dash, working in the forest, one who had received a bullet on her hand while trying to save her father from dacoits. These children had, she dash, great courage and presence of mind in moments of crisis. D dash now should be E dash by the government. Now my dear students, I try my best to provide you some options to sort out this problem. Options for A blank. First, who. Second, which. Third, that. And last for one. Now the options related with B blanks. First, when. Second, while. Third, during. Fourth, where. Now options for C blanks. First, shown. Second, seen. Third, see. Fourth, saw. Now options related with D blank. Every, each, all, they. Now options related with last blanks E. First, reward. Second, rewarded. Third, rewarding. Fourth, rewards. Now problem number 4. So all of you have to focus that passage like today a good A dash varieties of tea and tea brands are available in the market. Green tea is popular B dash China and the Far East. In Japan, the tea ceremony C dash a traditional way of greeting guests D dash now is a social occasion. Indians E dash real tea lovers. Now I shall try to provide options to sort out problem number 4 as A dash. First one, every. Second, many. Third, much. And fourth, more. Now the options related with B blank. First, like, on. Second, at. Third, in. Fourth, for. Now options related with C blank. First, like, am. Second, were. Third, are. And fourth, is. Now the options related with D blanks. First, like, and. Second, eat. Third, both. And fourth, dish. Now the options related with last as E blanks. First, like, is. Second, were. Third, am. And fourth, are. Now my dear students, I try to provide you last option along with its problem number 5. A rich man from Punjab who A dash to Rohtak to purchase land. B dash of rupees 30 lakhs from his car on Monday. His son C dash inside the car when the robbery took place. He D dash come to know E dash now it happened. Now options related with problem number 5. A, first one like, come. Second, came. Third, was coming. And fourth, coming. Now the options related with B blanks. First, was robbed. Second, is robbed. Third, robbed. And fourth, like, has robbed. Now the options related with C blanks. First here like, is standing. Second, sat. Third, was sitting. And fourth, sits. Now the options related with D blanks. First here like, didn't. Second, do not. Third, does not. And fourth, did. Now the options related with last blank as E. First here like, how. Second, when. Third, why. And fourth, where. Now my dear student, I am sure that all of you could succeed to sort out these all the problems correctly on the basis of ideas or skills provided by its first discussion. Next day, we have to start a new topic. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.